Now, let me show you how we can reset the Tradingview chart on the Android. So if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So of course, we are going to open up the Tradingview app, and you just need to make sure you are signed in and that you can actually browse stuff. So of course, we have the first page for the watch list, but we want to go to the chart and of course, set up the one you really want, whatever, right? Set up the zoom and everything. And you have like the main chart at the top and you have the indicators at the bottom. And if you want to reset the charts, for example, this one in here, what I need to do is essentially tap on the settings for that section only. So I need to tap on the name of it as such, and more options are going to appear. So I can quickly hide it. I can go to the settings and click on delete. So I want to tap on the settings, the gear icon, and this is going to give me the ability to change the color and the settings for it, like the visibility as well. I can make the lines thicker and so on. But if you go to the inputs, you should be able to change it and make it come back to the normal state or the original state. And if you don't remember how it was originally, you can click on the three dots at the bottom and you can click on reset settings, which will make you just come back to the default values. Like, of course, the important part is to set up the settings the best way for yourself, but you can always reset it. And as it was saved before, that's how you'll be able to jump back to the default settings. And this applies, of course, to all of the other indicators as well. So even the one below works exactly the same way. So yeah, I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to quickly explain and show you. So let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. I'm gonna wrap up the video. If you would like to see some more videos about this, then let me know, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.